Yes, I'm so excited for the 5-day explosive growth challenge. This is the culmination of everything that I've learned over the last decade being a top producer, a social media influencer, and the best and latest, greatest digital marketer online when it comes to the real estate space. I want to show you what I've learned and how we can use social media on a massive scale to reach many more people than you could by yourself online, making one-to-one phone calls, doing endless open houses, or begging for business. Wouldn't it be great to have people calling you and asking you to represent them on the sale or purchase of their own property? I'm gonna help you level up. In 2023, we've got to think of ways to be outside of the box and differentiate ourselves amongst everybody else who's doing the same thing. While the market is taking a tighten up, we've got to expand while everyone is contracting. I can't wait to see you on the inside for explosive growth on January 2nd. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'm going to see you January 2nd.